Welcome to Feng Shui Digest video. In this video you will get to know how to invite prosperity and good luck using Feng Shui. If you enjoyed the content of this channel and would like to see more, please consider subscribe, like and share. Your support helps us to create new and informative videos that will help improve your life. Thank you for your support and stay tuned for more. Here is tips number 1. Place a wind chime at the entrance of your home or office to invite positive energy. Use colors that promote good luck and positive energy, such as green, blue, and purple. You are welcome to leave me an email to get your personal lucky color for no cost. Place live plants in your home or office to promote growth and rejuvenation. Display symbols of good luck and prosperity, such as a horseshoe or a Chinese coin. Keep your living or working space clutter-free to allow positive energy to flow freely. Place a fountain or aquarium in the wealth area of your home or office to attract financial abundance. Hang a crystal ball in the center of your home to bring balance and harmony. Display images of moving water, such as a waterfall or a river, to promote the flow of good luck. Place a laughing Buddha statue in your home or office to attract happiness and good fortune. Display objects that represent your aspirations and goals, such as a model of a dream house or a picture of a desired destination, to encourage manifestation. Hey everyone, thank you for tuning into my channel. I would love to hear from you and know your thoughts on the content I create. And if you have any question on Feng Shui, please leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Your feedback and support mean the world to me. Looking forward to hearing from you soon.